Hello friends, welcome. Let's make poster design with path blur effect. Take a background, select image, take lay mask and remove the unwanted part. Before removing, take a copy of football. Now we apply the path blur effect. From effect menu, adjust the endpoint for record blur effect. Effect can be repeated for more detail. Now take this picture again and put it on front. Convert it in Smart Object. Make layer mask and remove unwanted part of image with brush tool. Adjust the opacity and flow for better results. Apply the same path blur effect at football. Take a copy of football and adjust the position now. Apply Gaussian blur effect for better look. Adjust the blur value as required. In this case 1.5 is good. Now take another copy of image. From the blending options, apply the color overlay effect to create a realistic shadow of image. Apply black color. Flip image horizontally. Now apply perspective warp and adjust the position of image for shadow look. Before completing this effect, please subscribe my channel for further learning. Decrease the opacity of image. Then apply the Gaussian blur effect and it looks like really shadowed. Now repeat the same process for blur effect and shadow effect on football. Path blur and Gaussian blur effect is ready. Now make poster design. For the GOAT Ronaldo, take another image and decrease the opacity, then apply layer mask. Now remove the unwanted part of image with brush tool. Take another image and apply the same process for eye-catching poster design. At the end, write some text at poster design. Our amazing poster design is ready. Thanks for watching.